Hello students, I am Hemant Pratap Singh and teaching mathematics for class 10. Guys, we are solving exercise 8.1. Okay, so here we are going to solve this question number 10. Okay, so it is given in triangle PQ or right angle at Q and PR plus Q are equal to 25 and PQ equal to 5. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, let's solve it. So it is question number 10 here. Question number 10 of exercise 8.1. Okay, so we have one right angle triangle, this one. Okay, and right angle at Q, it is right angle at Q. Okay, so it is P and it is R, it is P and it is R. Okay, PQ is 5 centimeter, PQ is 5 centimeter, and PR plus QR, PR plus QR, it is 25. If we say it is X, let's say it is X, then this side will be 25 minus X. Fine. Now we apply the Pythagoras theorem. That is 25 minus X to the whole square equals to base square plus hypotenuse square, perpendicular square. Okay, so we open it up. 25 square 625 minus plus x square minus 25x double 50x equal to 25 plus x square cancels here, and we get what? 50x equals to 600, 0 cancels, x equal to 12. Okay, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. Okay, so here this side is 12 and this will be 13. Okay, fine. So here first thing to find out, that is sin P. Sin P. So we know sin P means what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is P, so perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can find out the values of cos P and tan P. Okay guys. Now question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers. The value of tan is always less than 1. It is false beta, because tan 45 we know it is 1, so it is not less than 1, so it is false. Now sec a equal to 12 upon 5. Yes, it would be, because sec is a means what? Hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is bigger than this base, and it is true for a right angle triangle, so this is true. Third, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. No, it is false, because cosecant, we use cosec for cosecant. Okay, they are given over here, you please learn them. Yes, they are given sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. You please learn them. We use abbreviations for them, like SIN is sin, we use SIN sin. Okay, so after this we have next fourth part. Cot A is the product of cot and A. No, it is false, because cot A is not the product, it is cot of angle A. Okay, and after this we have sin theta equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. It is false beta, because sin is what? perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If we say it is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, so beta we know in a right angle triangle hypotenuse is the largest side. So and here it is being said that hypotenuse is less than this perpendicular, that's why it is false. Okay, I hope you got it well, and you you solve and revise exercise 8.1. In case you have any problem, then I will help you out. Thanks.